Hey guys, this is Mahesh, the freelancer. So, in this video, I'll try to qualify for the hit app local QR EN reviews from web. So, let's begin. So, in this EHRS hit app, I'll just scroll down. So, these were the questions asked. We'll be having four questions, guys. So, we just need to choose from the options over here. So, I'll try to solve it. Along the way, I'll try to explain about this hit app, guys. So firstly, just press control button and open this website. Yeah, just look at the address along the way. It was 52Y9 Broadway, Louisville, KY 40202. Yeah, so I'll scroll down. uh, so it was the same address over here, 525W Broadway, Louisville, KY 40202 US. So the address matches, guys. So the first question is, does the rating link match the business name and location? uh, yeah, of course. I'll say yes. Just click on the business website link below the business info. Let's see. Both are same, guys. So if you don't know, like I opened the website link over here of the website carrier general media. Also, I clicked on the link over here just in case to verify whether both are same links or not. Yeah, it matched, so I clicked on yes, it's the same. So if it doesn't matches, you should click on no URL link website doesn't match the business. Yeah, and if you get any error like 404 error, you just need to choose the third option, guys, like the page is not available, page error, like that. So here, just read this rating link, click to verify rating value and rating count. So I'll click on this link. So this is a Yelp website. So this is a third party website, guys. Usually users visit this website and they'll see about this particular any particular business, and they'll review over here. So this was the website link provided here, to verify rating value and rating count. So in the second question, we'll be having four options. So if this particular link, yelp.com, has rating value and rating count, we just need to choose first option over here. So if it just has rating value only, we need to choose second one. If it has rating count only, we need to choose third one. So if the particular link they had given doesn't have any rating value or rating count, we need to choose fourth option, guys. So if you choose fourth option, then we won't be getting third and fourth questions. If you go with the other options, we'll be getting the other questions as well. So let's check it out. So for this particular website, Courier General Media, it has 3 reviews, and the average of 3 reviews is the rating 1. So here in this Yelp website, it has rating value as well as rating count. So I'll choose option 2, like option this one. Yeah, so here the rating value is 1, of course. So I'll go with yes, rating value is close to one of the URL page. Yeah, so on the Bing search page, we are showing the website has 3 reviews. When you visit the review source page, is it between 0 and 25? So it was already it was having 3 reviews, guys. So when they checked the website, the reviews were 3. So in the meantime, did anyone visit the page? And if people had reviewed that page, maybe the review count will increase to like 10, 20, something like that. So when we are visiting the page, is it between 0 and 25? Of course, it was 3 reviews. It means no one has visited the page again, and I mean, no one had reviewed it after that. So I'll say yes, the rating count is close to 1 on the URL page. I'll say submit. Yeah. So in this way, we just need to solve this hit app, guys. So I'll go a little fast. So I'll just close this. Firstly, I'll just click on the website link. The address is 95 is main. So I'll just scroll down. I'll just click on business website link as well. Address is 95 main, so it matches the location as well as name. So I'll click yes, it's the same. Yeah, both were same websites. So I'll click on this particular link to verify rating value and rating count. So it has 36 reviews and 3 rating, guys, which means it's having both rating value as well as rating count. The rating value is 3, which is verified. Is the review count between 29 and 37? It's 36. So yeah, it is between that. So yes, the rating count is close to the one on the URL page. I'll say submit. Yeah, I'll just click on the website link. Let's close this, guys. Let's see the address, 12275 St. Charles Rock. Let's click on the link. It's 12275 St. Charles Rock, so it's the same, the location is the same. I'll click on the rating link. So it's 25 reviews and 3.5 rating. So it's having both values. I'll say yes, it's having rating value and rating count. It's 3.5 out of 5. We just checked it, guys. So how many reviews we are having over here? So it was 25 reviews. So is it between 21 and 27? Yeah, of course. So yeah, the rating count is close to the one on the URL page. Submit. I'll just close this, guys. I'll just click on this website link. The website is Octillo Animal Clinic and Pet Resort. It's 43 Arizona Avenue is the address. Let's verify the address here. So the address is the same. I'll click on yes, it's the same. I'll click on the business website link. It's octilloanimalclinic.com. So both are same URLs, so it's fine. I'll click on the link over here. So it has 79 reviews and 3.5 rating, guys, which means it's having both rating value and rating count. 3.5 is the rating, 79 reviews is the count. So it's between 65 and 81. So I'll say yes, it's close to one on the URL page. I'll close this, guys. I'll click on this website. Website name is CCI Buildings and the address is 10700, something like that. I'll just verify the address. It's the same, 10700. I'll click on yes, it's the same. I'll click on the business website link as well. So both links are same. I just want to tell you, when you're verifying the website, it just need not to be some ccibuildings.com, something like that. Even about us, contact us page is also fine. But this is about us page. It's not specifically the ccibuildings.com URL. It's again the sub page in the website that is about us page. So just click on the website over here. So even on this page, it was about us page. We just need to see both URLs are same. It doesn't necessarily the complete only the URL name should be there. Even if the other sub pages are there, they should be same, guys. So here it was having about us page. in the given link also it was having about us page, so it's the same. So if it doesn't matches, then we should go for no URL link doesn't match the business here. So let's move on. We are not getting the link here. It's forbidden. I don't know why. I'll just try to copy this and paste it in. I'll try to copy it in other guys. It's forbidden. We are not getting. Uh-oh. Yeah, so we are not getting that link. So I'll say. So if you're not getting that link, it doesn't mean we should go for no. That doesn't. The page doesn't have both rating value and rating count. Might be the URL is. They are unable to open URL in this particular browser, or might be, but mostly I'll go with this option because there are many URLs which might not be opening, but while we are qualifying, or while we are in training, if you see even that URL which is not opening, that counts, guys. So I'll anyway in this particular one I'll go with this. I'll just submit. So I don't think that was right, but anyway, I'll click on the website over here, Bed Bath and Beyond. So the address over here is 5295 International Drive. Let's scroll down. 5295 International Drive. The address matches, guys, as well as the URL is also the same. I'll go with the first one. I'll just click on this link, guys. Let's see if it has any reviews. So it states that it has some 4.1 reviews of 85 people. So I'll say it has rating value and rating count. Let's see once again. Are there any other reviews section over here? Yeah, it looks like it has 85 reviews and 4.5 is rating, guys. So it has both rating value and rating count. 4.4, right? So it's stating 5 out of 5. So when you're having like 4.5, 4.6, and here it was stating 5 out of 5, just say yes, guys, because it was close to that. And 85 are the reviews. Is it between 65 and 81? I'll say it no, because it was 85 reviews. Let's submit. So I'll open this website. I'll just read the address. It was 400 South State Road. Yeah, it was the same address, 400 South State Road. I'll say yes, it's the same. Let's verify the URL as well. Both URLs are same, guys. It doesn't matter. It is specifically, it need not to be www.somexyz.com. Any URL is fine, but both should be matching. So they're the same. I'll click on this link. When you're having this Yelp website, the review count and review, the number of reviews and the review is easy, I would say. Let's see. It has 9 reviews and 3 is the rating, so it has both values. I'll say yes. 3 is the rating, guys, and it has 9 reviews. Is it between 0 to 25? Yeah, I'll say yes. Submit. I'll just close this, guys. I'll click on the website over here. The address is 1620 Main. Address is 1620 Main. So I'll say yes, it's the same. and the URLs are also the same. I'll open this particular link, guys. Uh, so while I'm qualifying, while I'm in training of this particular hit app, I got this saying, guys, like AutoZone. Uh, so I choose showing 1175 votes, and 3.4 is the reviewing, but when I chose it, yes, it has the rating value and rating count. It doesn't, it was not right, guys. I don't know why, because I got this in the training as well. Let's scroll down and see if any. 3.4 out of 5. It's 10,075, not 1000, guys. Votes. What is votes? Is it reviews or votes? I'll go with this option, guys, for this only AutoZone, guys, because even while you're in training, you'll get this one, guys. Just watch that. So I'll say skip. I don't know. Oh, it's saying it's not possible to skip. So I'll go with this option. Let's see. I don't know if I qualify for this. Freedom Mortgage. I'll open this website. I'll open this URL as well. So it's 1431 Opus PI was the address. So address is the same. I'll say yes, it's the same. I'll open the, let's check the two URLs. I think error 404, there is no content available. I don't know, even while in the training, I even got this particular Freedom Mortgage, guys. I think at that time this URL was open, but I don't know why it's not opening here. So usually, guys, when some website is not opening and error 404, you see something like this, just don't go directly to page is not available, because it will go wrong. Sometimes these websites don't open, I don't know why, but usually from the UHRS, from there, and from the UHRS side, they don't consider this as not opening, guys. So if we go by this error 404 and if you choose this, definitely will go wrong most of the times, I would say, from my experience. So if you get any similar kind of error 404, so I would say just go with the option yes, it's the same, mostly because I don't know, the UHRS considers that way, guys. So many times I tried to go with the same option, page error, but it doesn't, it was never right. So I'll go with this option, yes, it's the same. So in the reviews, I'll see it was 1.3 and 34 reviews, guys. So yes, it has both rating value and rating count. 1.3 is the review, you could just check it over here, and 34 reviews, I guess, right? 34. So is it between 26 and 32? No, I don't know. It's very close, guys. 32 and 34. Anyway, we'll go with this. Sometimes I don't know, even if we go by their words, it will become wrong, I don't know why, but anyway, I'll go with this one. Let's see. I don't know if I qualify for this. Let's see, guys, because sometimes from their end it was not clear, and we'll go by their URLs, their words. Yeah, it'll go wrong, I don't know why. I'll just click on this website, Michigan Schools. 40400 is the address. So address is the same. Just verify the URL. So both URLs are same. So it's fine. Just click on this link to verify rating value and rating count. So rating is 2 and 5 reviews are there, so both values are there. I'll go with yes. So 2 is the review, so it is 1.3 mentioned over here, so it's okay, go with yes. And is it between 0 and 25? We are having 5 reviews, so yes, I would say submit. You have passed the qualification test. Oh god, yeah, I thought I won't qualify by this setup, but luckily I got qualified, because most of the times when I go through the guidelines, you know, even if I go by their words, their guidelines, it will go wrong. I don't know why. Where is this? Yeah, local QR reviews from web. So I think this was about it, guys. I hope I explained you clearly. I must have explained it better, but I don't know. So yeah, that was it, guys. If you find the video useful, please do subscribe, and it encourages me to make more videos, guys. And thank you so much for watching.